Strategy of Successful Financial Life. How a man can earn 40 crore in 1 year. How one can reach his peak life hook. Did you know that most people never unlock the full power of Strategy of Successful Financial Life? How a man can earn 40 crore in 1 year. How one can reach his peak life. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly what the top performers do differently and how you can start doing it today. The problem: every day, millions of people struggle with Strategy of Successful Financial Life. How a man can earn 40 crore in 1 year. How one can reach his peak life because they use outdated methods. They work harder but not smarter. They spend hours on tasks that should take minutes. The frustrating truth is that the solution is simpler than you think. Why it matters: understanding Strategy of Successful Financial Life. How a man can earn 40 crore in 1 year. How one can reach his peak life is not just about saving time. It is about gaining an edge that compounds over months and years. The people who master this early build a foundation that is nearly impossible to compete with later. The framework: the best practitioners follow a simple 3-part system. First, they start with clarity. They know exactly what success looks like. Second, they build a repeatable process instead of relying on motivation alone. Third, they measure outcomes and eliminate what does not work. Step by step, here is the exact approach that works. Start with a focused 30-minute block dedicated only to Strategy of Successful Financial Life. How a man can earn 40 crore in 1 year. How one can reach his peak life. Use proven tools and resources. Track your progress weekly. Make one small improvement every single day. Consistency is the only secret. Common mistakes. The biggest mistake people make is trying to do everything at once. They get overwhelmed, they quit, and they tell themselves it was too difficult. Avoid this by starting with one thing, doing it well, and only then expanding. Real results: when you apply the system consistently over 30 days, the results are dramatic. People who commit to this process report saving hours each week and achieving goals they thought were years away. Take action. The time to start is now, not next week, not next month. Every day you delay is a day someone else is building the advantage you could have had. Take the first step today. Conclusion: if this video gave you real value, like and subscribe so you never miss a new strategy. Drop your biggest challenge with Strategy of Successful Financial Life. How a man can earn 40 crore in 1 year. How one can reach his peak life in the comments below. I read every single one.